Once upon a time, in a beautiful, clear pond surrounded by green trees, two fish and one frog lived as close friends. Every evening, the three friends gathered near the bank. They laughed together, shared stories, and enjoyed each other's company under the golden light of the setting sun. One evening, as the sun was going down, some fishermen walked past the pond carrying nets on their shoulders. They stopped, looked into the water, and said loudly, "This pond is full of fish. The water is not even deep. Tomorrow morning we will come back with our nets and catch them all." The three friends heard every word. That night, the frog looked worried. He sat still for a long moment, both eyes fixed on the dark water. "My friends, did you hear what the fisherman said? We are in real danger. We should leave this pond tonight and find a safer place." The fish, with many clever ideas, laughed out loud. Both fins spread wide. "Don't be so scared. I have escaped fishermen before many times. Do you remember the great net of last summer? I swam through the smallest gap while everyone else panicked. And the winter before that, 3 boats came. 3! I led every fish to safety." The other fish nodded proudly. "Besides, this is our home. Our parents were born here, their parents before them. We will not abandon everything we know just because of some words spoken by passing strangers. We are smart. We will be fine." The frog shook his head slowly. "I have only one talent, to sense danger before it comes. My heart tells me we should leave right now. I am going with my wife to another pond tonight. I truly hope I am wrong, but I must go." The frog and his wife slipped into the dark water and disappeared. The pond became quiet. The two fishes slept peacefully at the bottom, confident in their cleverness. The next morning, the fishermen returned. They threw their nets into the pond and pulled them back again and again. The two clever fish tried everything. One swam hard to the left, a trick that had worked many times before. The net came from the right. The other dove deep to the bottom, another trusted escape. The net reached the bottom too. Every clever move, every trick they knew, every talent they counted on, failed. They were caught in the net, along with many others. The fishermen took them away, and both fishes died. Later that day, the frog came to the surface of his new pond and saw the fishermen walking home. One fisherman was carrying the bigger fish on his head. Another held the other fish hanging from his hand. The frog looked at his wife and said quietly, "Look, my dear. The fish with many clever ideas is being carried on the fisherman's head. The fish with fewer ideas is hanging from his hand. But I, with my single talent of foresight, am swimming freely and safely here." The fish were not weak and not foolish, simply carrying too much confidence in their own abilities to believe that danger could ever truly reach them. There is someone in your life whose past victories have given them too much confidence. Not the kind that builds something, the kind that quietly says, "Nothing can go wrong for me." Their success became their certainty. Their certainty became their blindness. And their blindness walked them straight into the net. Somewhere in each of us, there is a version of that fish. A moment when too much confidence in what worked before made it impossible to see what was right in front of us. Unbroken success is the most dangerous teacher. It makes you forget that failure is still possible. Have you ever watched too much confidence lead someone straight into the very thing they were trying to avoid? One sentence in the comments. If powerful moral stories like this one are what you are looking for, subscribe. New story every day.